experiencing inaccurate battery readings on your Samsung Galaxy Buds, including models like Buds 2, Buds Pro, Buds Live, Buds FE, and Buds 3? You're not alone. As of 2026, this is a common issue, often stemming from software glitches rather than hardware failure. The core problem lies in how the earbuds firmware communicates with the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app, leading to miscalculations in battery estimation. These inaccuracies can be triggered by firmware bugs, app incompatibilities, or fluctuations caused by temperature and usage patterns. Let's dive into how to fix this. To fix the problem, let's understand the factors at play. The earbuds use internal algorithms to estimate battery life, but voltage fluctuations or temperature changes can throw these off. Voltage fluctuations or temperature changes can disrupt these algorithms, leading to inaccurate readings. Outdated firmware or corrupted app cache can also cause discrepancies in battery percentage display. The Samsung Galaxy Wearable app pulls data from the buds, and issues within the app itself can cause freezes or incorrect displays. Remember, the lithium-ion batteries degrade over time, but the displayed percentage error is usually about reporting, not actual capacity. The quickest fix is a soft reset. Simply press and hold both earbuds simultaneously for about 7 seconds. This recalibrates the sensors within the buds that estimate battery life. This will help them communicate more accurately with your device and the wearable app. After the reset, check if the battery percentage is displaying correctly. This is a non-destructive method, so you won't lose any data. Sometimes, the wearable app itself is the culprit. Force close the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app on your phone or tablet. Then, reopen it. This will refresh the connection with your earbuds and clear any cached data that might be causing the incorrect battery readings. Make sure the app is running in the background so it can properly fetch the battery life data. Outdated software is a common cause of inaccurate battery percentages in Galaxy Buds. Step 1. Update the Galaxy Wearable app to the latest version via Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Within the Wearable app, check for and install any available firmware updates for your Galaxy Buds. Samsung frequently releases updates to address bugs, including those related to battery reporting. Keep your software current. If the soft reset doesn't fix the battery percentage inaccuracy, proceed to a factory reset. This more thorough solution erases all custom settings and restores your Galaxy Buds to their original factory configuration. The factory reset process varies slightly by model, but generally follows these steps. First, ensure both earbuds are securely placed in the charging case. Next, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your connected device. Navigate to your Buds settings menu within the app. Look for the factory reset option and select it to initiate the process. The app will guide you through confirming the reset. During the reset, the battery percentage may initially show as incorrect. Watch as it recalibrates to the accurate level. Important note, after the factory reset completes, you'll need to repair your earbuds with your device, as all previous connections will be erased. Solution 5 focuses on checking for Bluetooth interference and connection issues that can cause inaccurate battery reporting. First, ensure your Galaxy Buds are within the Bluetooth range of your device, typically about 10 meters without obstacles. Second, check for other Bluetooth or Wi-Fi devices nearby that might cause interference, such as routers, microwaves, or other phones. Move away from them. Third, refresh the Bluetooth connection by turning it off and back on in your device's settings. This can resolve temporary connection issues. Finally, in rare cases of pairing errors, unpair the Galaxy Buds from your device and then repair them through the Bluetooth settings. After following these steps, your battery percentage should display accurately in the Galaxy Wearable app. If none of these steps work, contact Samsung support. The issue might be more complex and require professional assistance. Looking ahead, Samsung and other brands are incorporating AI and machine learning into battery management for more accurate reporting. While software bugs can still arise, future earbuds may use quantum sensors and cloud-based calibration for real-time diagnostics, reducing these inaccuracies significantly. Stay updated with firmware releases.